Hello everybody, welcome back to Play Like Parker. Today we're going to be camping in our tree fort. We're ready to start setting up the campsite, but first we want to give you a tour of our yard. This is where we're going to be camping. We tried to build a stick fort, but it fell apart. I built it with my cousin Tyler.
So, like you said, we have to take this tree fort stuff apart so that we can get it ready for camping. But you know what I was thinking we could do with all this wood?
What?
We could set up a spot to have a campfire. Do you want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Check out the bush. Say hi, Lainey. Hello, everybody. My name is Lainey.
And I'm playing with
Okay.
Barbies.
All right, here we go.
I do like to play with Barbies though. It was like a rocket ship. Since I got the boarded now. We got all the sticks off our tree fort and we're ready to make the fire. Yeah, this spot used to be a bush, but we pulled it up. We have to get the ground ready so the fire doesn't burn the grass. We got the spot ready and now we're gonna go get our sticks. We got our sticks ready and now we have to get leaves and start the fire. If you're a kid, you should never play with fire. Goodness, which blocks us? That's it. We got the fire going and now it's time to set up the campsite. Go. Yeah, the one pile. Like all the stuff in our house in the long sweeps. Aisle. Oh, even easy. And now we gotta make it straight. Come on. Now we'll also get the comforters. We got our beds ready, and there's something we didn't tell you before. Deer come through our yard every night, so we're going to try to get them to come to our treehouse by leaving out food for them. So let's get the food. Can I help? We have two kinds of deer food. One is corn that doesn't really have a smell, so we got some Magnum Munch block. So this actually has a stronger smell, so the deer will be more attracted to it. So let's open it. We have our food right here, and we're gonna be sleeping up there. So hopefully we'll see them when they come eat it. And I'm talking about the deer. Parker's squeaky toy. Duh. Oh my goodness.
Squeaky, 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 squeak.
Lainey, don't make that noise and let me try. I'll do Operation Make Body Heat. Now we're in our beds and we're waiting for the deer, so let's turn the lights off and go to sleep. But secretly be awake listening for the deer. Good night. So-called good night. And we'll get in our sleeping bags now and go to sleep. Oh, hi. I didn't know it was morning yet. It is morning and it doesn't look like any deer ate the corn, or the Magnum lunch block. So we're just bird watching now.
Okay. So, how did you sleep?
Like this.
Not like, how did you sleep? But did you sleep okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it cold?
Woodpecker. No, chickadee.
Where?
No, I don't know.
How cold is it?
It's 28 degrees.
28
It's
degrees.
really cold, but I can't feel it right now because I have gloves and my top has 3 layers, my bottom has 2 layers, and I am layered up. Ugh.
So that's good. So you didn't feel cold?
No, I didn't.
Lainey decided to go inside. She didn't seem very comfortable during the night, and so I asked her if she wanted to go in, and she said,
That's it for today. Unfortunately, we didn't see any deer. But we're gonna set up a camera and try to get them on video. And if we do, we'll show you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.